Okay, so today we learned our face. So its hair is
Muriri,
muriri, eyes
mato,
matlo,
yeah.
ears
Ditebe,
ditebe, nose
mko,
mko,
yeah. Molomo,
molomo,
yeah.
and then with your molomo, pua,
Yeah, puo, you can, no, bua.
pua,
Yeah, puo, bua.
pua. Okay, and then we did shoes.
Yeah, roala. You wear shoes, ne?
Okay.
You wear or you put some, you wear, ne?
Yeah.
Roala.
Ruala.
Apara, when you put on clothes, wa apara.
Apara.
Yeah.
Okay, and then one shoe.
Sitlako.
Sikako. And diklako.
Yeah.
I've got it. Sinklako, diklako.
You make
Okay.
me too much black.
Now how do we say goodbye? Now how do we say goodbye, Nelly? Salah Sinclair.
Salah Sinclair.
Salah Sinclair. Now you must tell them to like, share and subscribe.
Ish like that, I don't know.
Oh, please help Nelly out, guys. What is like, share and subscribe?
Rata. Rata, like it's rata.
Rata. Okay, so Rata, like, share and subscribe and join our community where we learn or where we just come together as South Africans and we are lekker.
We are very nice.
Nice, lekker.
Yeah.